Aertec has completed the development of the FoxIMiniMissile, a high-precision, compact rocket specifically designed for deployment from unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, like the Tarsis 75. This cutting-edge mini-missile enhances the combat capabilities of remotely piloted aircraft systems, RPAS, by enabling them to conduct precise strikes against lightly armored targets. The FoxI, also known as the mASM Fox, weighs only 3 kilograms, measures 900 millimeters in length, and has a range of up to 4 kilometers. Equipped with intermediate inertial navigation and semi-active laser terminal guidance, the FoxI ensures high accuracy in hitting both stationary and moving targets. The missile's modular design allows for seamless integration with various UAV platforms, making it ideal for Class 1 UAVs like the Tarsis 75. The flexibility of the FoxI makes it a game-changer for light aerial platforms that require compact yet powerful precision strike capabilities. This modularity allows the missile to adapt to multiple airframes with minimal software adjustments, maintaining compatibility across a wide range of UAVs. The FoxI's design maximizes effectiveness while minimizing collateral damage, providing tactical advantage in missions that demand precision. At the core of the FoxI launch system is the Tarsis 75, a light tactical unmanned aerial system, UAS, developed specifically for reconnaissance and light weapons deployment. With a maximum takeoff weight of 75 kilograms and a payload capacity of up to 12 kilograms, the Tarsis 75 offers impressive specifications, including a wingspan of 5.2 meters, a length of 3.8 meters, and an operational ceiling of up to 5,000 meters. Its flight endurance reaches up to 12 hours, and it can operate at ranges between 70 and 150 kilometers. The Tarsis 75's autonomous features allow it to take off and land independently, though manual control remains available for complex missions. Its ability to operate from diverse terrains and in challenging conditions makes it an ideal platform for deploying the FoxIMiniMissile. Aertec collaborated with the Spanish defense company Instalaza to develop the FoxI's warhead and rocket motor, ensuring both power and stability despite the missile's compact size. The warhead, derived from the C-90 Instalaza munition, includes a specialized fuse designed to engage specific targets effectively.